Hi, welcome back to my channel. This video is part 3 of my trip to Wyoming, and it covers the Grand Prismatic Springs and the upper and lower waterfalls of the Yellowstone River. So if you want to see that, just keep watching, and it's gonna start in 3, 2, 1. We are here at Grand Prismatic Springs. Hi! So we just got here at Midway Geyser Basin, and we are gonna head up to the Grand Prismatic Springs. It's quite a walk, but there's a trail, path, whatever. It's gonna be okay. Dun, 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 dun. Hi! I'm not sure if you can see that, but I see red and blue smoke. It's probably just the color reflecting off the smoke, but it's still so pretty. Again, we got lucky with parking.
As you do.
We are here at the Fairy Falls Trail because it is the trail that leads you to the top, like the overlooking deck for the Grand Prismatic Springs. So I'm not sure how long the trail is or how difficult it is, but we'll see, and I'll tell you later. Bye. Hi. So we just reapplied sunscreen because I feel like this is gonna be quite a long hike, trail, whatever, but it's going up, so it's hike, right? But yeah, sunscreen, because I feel my lips are starting to burn and I don't want to do that. So sunscreen, 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 and then we walk.
So let's
Hi! So we just got to the start, like the trailhead for Fairy Falls, and I was already tired on the way here from the parking lot. So we'll see. They said it's like 0.8 miles. It's gonna be done in 10 minutes. We'll see how true that is. I think it's gonna take me longer because I'm such a weakling. But yeah, it's worth it because it's a perfect viewpoint for the Grand Prismatic Springs. So we don't care how far it is, we're still going. Okay, I'm gonna breathe now. Bye. Yay! See, we made it. Not quite yet, but we're almost there. Yay! I'm so tired though.
We're here. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Focus, yes.
Yay!
That's a great one with it in between.
Amazing. Hi! So we got lucky again with the parking spot. We are here at this Artist Point on the south rim of the Grand Canyon of the Yellowstone. We're here to look at the falls, the waterfalls, and because it's quite a hike, I think we don't really know exactly, but what I want to hike really next to the river, falls, whatever. So we're just gonna pack a bag so we could bring water, because we're not sure how difficult it will be. And then so we want to pack water. I'm gonna bring Charlie and Pauli, and then we're gonna go start heading out for the trail for the waterfalls. But yeah, that is it. I'll see you again later. Bye. Hi. So we were just done at the artist point, and now we are doing the South Rim Trail, and hope to see more of the falls from here. And then I hope it's not as difficult though, because we're tired. Oh, at least I'm tired. But yeah, we hope to see better views from here. There's not much people so far. So yeah, see you later. Bye. First viewing deck from the trail, and this is the view. That's the falls, the waterfall. It's a good place to rest because I'm already so tired. I'm going down now. There. Then I think we're heading down to the falls or something.
To the falls.
Or something. Mag-XX siya na.
Uy, mag-cellphone pa dito.
We're scared. Kadali na ako doon ako.
Sure joke ka.
Pagsaka ba? Hi! So we're taking so much time to build our courage doing this part of the trail. It's like a U shape. I'll show you later. James is still doing it, so I can't show you now. But it's like a really steep path, and it's just gravel and concrete, and there's a bunch of sand, and it's really scary because I slipped once already. But yeah, and if you slip all the way down, you go all the way back to the woods and stuff. But I think we're gonna do it because we're strong people. And yeah, that's where we're from. It's so sandy and so steep, and then we go twirl, and then we go there, and I don't know what's next, so we'll see. We made it here, Uncle Tom's Point. It's so pretty.